How to recover deleted contacts from iPhone without iCloud. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted contacts from your iPhone without iCloud. If you've ever added your Gmail account to your iPhone, which is very common, you're likely syncing your iPhone contacts to your Google account. If this is the case, you can easily retrieve deleted phone numbers and contacts for up to 30 days after deletion. To see if you're syncing your phone numbers to a Google account, open your iPhone Settings app. After that, scroll down, tap Contacts, and tap Accounts. You will see a list of accounts syncing to the Contacts app. If Gmail is present, tap it. If the contact switch is on or green, your contacts sync. This means you will find your deleted iPhone phone numbers in Google Contacts as long as it hasn't been more than 30 days since you've deleted them. Now, go to contacts.google.com in your iPhone's browser. If prompted, sign in with the same Gmail account you're syncing to your iPhone. Then, tap the three-line menu. You will see it at the top left corner of Google Contacts. Next, tap Trash. Is the trash can icon under Fix and Manage. Here, select the deleted contacts you want to retrieve. To do this, just tap the contact photo or initial to the left of each contact's name. It will turn into an empty box. After that, tap the box to select it. It will turn blue and a check mark will appear inside. Now tap Recover. This link is just above the list of deleted contacts. Your contacts will now recover to Gmail, which will instantly sync them back to your iPhone's Contacts app. If the phone numbers don't sync back to your iPhone, make sure you're not in airplane mode, in focus mode, or using low power mode. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.